Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use gems in Gemini to save time with AI. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser. Search for Google Gemini and open the official website from the results. Once on the site, tap the menu icon in the top left corner and select the Explore Gems option. Next, click on Show More to view all available gems. This will expand the list and display more tools you can use. Now select the Learning Coach gem, which is designed to provide guided and structured explanations. After opening it, enter a question such as, how does photosynthesis work? Into the input field. The AI will process your query and generate a clear, detailed response that simplifies complex concepts. This feature helps you learn faster by breaking down information into easy steps. So that's basically how you can use gems in Gemini to save time with AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.